Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to study exercise 3.6. So exercise 3.6 is a factorization of quadratic polynomial. So first question, factorize the following. First one is x square plus 10x plus 24. So we have to factorize this polynomial x square plus 10x plus 24. So here we have to look at the polynomial first. So what is the polynomial? X square plus 10x plus 24. This is the given equation. So first of all, we have to find sum and product from this polynomial. So here what is sum, what is product? So last constant term is considered as a product. Which is equal to, what is that? Plus 24, that should be written as 24. So product is 24. And then what is sum? What is the x coefficient value? This is called as a sum value. So sum, which is equal to, what is the coefficient value? Which is equal to 10 plus 10. So that is 10. So first of all, we have to look at the product and then sum only. So product is constant term. If it is anything in x square coefficient, if there is supposed to be here, if here x square coefficient is 1, that should be multiplied with 24. So 1 into 24, that is only considered as product. But if supposed to be here 2 is there, means we have to multiply 2 into 24, which is equal to 48 is the product value. Clear? So here the sum is 10 and then product is 24. So what is the meaning of sum and product? So this is considered as product, this is considered as sum. So multiply symbol is considered as product, plus symbol is considered as sum. So what is the number? If we multiply two numbers, we have to get plus 24. If multiply same two, if we add same two number, we have to get the value 10. அதாவது multiply பண்ணனா 24 வரும் ஆன்சர், add பண்ணனா 10 வரும், அதே நம்பர் add பண்ணனா 10 வரும். So what is the number? So we have to find out. So first of all, we have to find out the multiply. What is the value, sir, for multiply 12 to 1 into 24, 24. So 12 plus 24 plus 1, 25. But we have to get the value 10. So next number 12 into 2. So 12 into 2, 24. So 12 plus 2, which is equal to 10. But 12 plus 2 is just equal to 14. But here we have to get the value 10. So next number 3 is possible. 8 3s are 24. Plus 8 plus 3 is 11. So that is also not possible. So we have to take 6 into 4. So 6 4s are 24. 6 plus 4, 10. So we got the value. So we have to write, we have to expand the sum value only. So the given equation is x square plus 10x should be written as 6x plus 4x. This 10x should be split into two terms, which is 6x plus 4x. So 6x plus 4x, which is equal to 10x plus last value 24. So now we have to take x, these two terms, we have to take x as common. So here remaining one x is there, plus here we have to take x, means only 6 is there. Now we have to multiply x into x, x square, x into 6, 6x. Here both are positive value. So plus, what is the number we can take common? 4. So remaining is x plus, if we take 4 as common, means we have here must be 6. 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 6, 24. So now look at this, x plus 6 is the common term. So x plus 6 written as one time, and then remaining part is x plus 4. So this is what the factorization value for this given polynomial x square plus 10x plus 24. So this is what the value for this given polynomial. And then second question, z square plus 4z minus 12. So this is the given polynomial. First we have to write the product and sum. So product is, so here the coefficient value is 1. So 1 into minus 12, minus 12. What is the sum value? Z coefficient is 4. So sum is equal to 4. So now we have to find the value. So product value, sum value. Product value is minus 12. Sum value is 4. So what is the values? Possible values. 4 3s are 12. But 4 plus 3 value is 7. So what is the value we can take? 6 2s are 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. But here one value is negative. So what is the value is negative? Multiply value is negative. If we add these two values, we have to get the value plus 4. So small number must be negative number. So 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 6 minus 2 plus 4. So we can write this z square plus 4z should be written as plus 6z minus 2z. 6z minus 2z is equal to 4z minus 12 at last. Now we can take z from the first two terms. So z plus 6. Here both are minus, so we can take minus as common, and then we have to take 2 as common number. So here remaining z minus 6 2s are 12, so 6. So we can take minus common. So here remaining is plus. Now we have to multiply. We just multiply with 2 minus 2 with this z minus 2z. Plus into minus minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Now z plus 6 is a common term. So we can write that z plus 6 is one factor, and then remaining z minus 2 is another factor. So if you multiply these two factors, you will get the polynomial z square plus 4z minus 12. So this is the factors of this given polynomial. Clear? Second question, factorize the following. First one, 2a square plus 9a plus 10. Here given polynomial is 2a square plus 9a plus 10. A square coefficient is 2. So product is, we have to multiply 2 with this constant term. 2 into 10, that is 20. So product is equal to 2 into 10, which is equal to 20. And then sum is a coefficient, that is 9. Sum value is equal to 9. Now we have to find, as usual, multiply. That is product value is 20. Sum value is 9. So what is the value? 5 4s are 20. 5 plus 4, 9. So we can write the polynomial 2a square plus 4a or 5a. Anything you can written. 5a plus 4a. This 9a should be written as 5a plus 4a. At last plus 10. So from these two steps, first two steps, we can take a as common. So a, here what is that? 2, 1 a is remaining, 2a plus here only 5 is there. So a into 2a, 2a square, a into 5, 5a. Here we can take plus 2. We can take 2 as common. So 2, here remaining 2, a is there, 2a plus, if we take 2 as common means here remaining is 5. So 2 into 2, 4a, 2 into 5, 10. So now 2a plus 5, 2a plus 5 is common term. So 2a plus 5 is one factor, and then remaining a plus 2 is another factor. So this is what the factors of the given polynomial. Second one, 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. Here don't confuse here xy and last y square term. Just taken as this is one polynomial. As usual, what we did the previous question, we have to multiply a square coefficient with last term. So here 5 is there, so 5 should be multiplied with 42. This is what product is equal to 5 into minus 42, which is equal to 5 into minus 42, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So 210, plus into minus, minus 210. And then some value as usual, what is the coefficient value of the middle term, that is minus 29. This is what sum. So sum is equal to minus 29. Now we have to find out the term, product term and addition term, that is minus 210 and minus 29. So what is the term? Here the values are huge value. So huge value means you can find out easily with L division. What is the product value? Minus 210, or just taken as 210. You have to do it with prime factor only. First prime factor is 2. So 1 2s are 2, 0, 10, 5 2s are 10. So 105 into 2, which is equal to 210. And the next prime factor is 3. So we can find 3 is 105 is divided by 3. Yes. So 3 3s are 9, remaining 1 15, 5 3s are 15. Now 35. So 3 2s are 6. 35 into 6, which is equal to 210. 35 minus 6, which is equal to 29. So what is the value we can take here? 29 is minus. So obviously highest number value must be minus. So 35 into 6. So 35 must be minus. Minus 35 into 6 minus 210. Minus 35 plus 6, which is equal to minus 29. Highest number value is negative, so minus 29. Now we can write this polynomial 5x square minus 35xy, because here xy term is there, so xy plus 6xy. So we have to write minus 29xy should be written as minus 35xy plus 6xy. Minus 35 plus 6, which is equal to minus 29. Minus 42y square. Minus 42y square. Now we can take x and also 5. We can take x and 5 as common term, that is 5x into, here remaining is only one x is there, x minus, if we take 5 as common means here we have to, the remaining term is 7. So 5 7s are 35. X we take common, so remaining term is y. So x minus 7y. Now you can multiply 5x into x, 5x square, plus into 5 plus into minus minus, 5 into 7 35 xy, 35xy. Here is negative, so we have to take positive only. Now we can take, what is the term is common? 6 is common. Here y is common term, so 6y is a common term. Now remaining is here 6y. If we take 6y as common means remaining is x minus 42. So if we take 6 as common means what is the value, remaining value? 6 7s are 42. So 7. Y square, 1y we take common, so remaining 1y. So now look at the two terms, x minus y as a common term. So x minus 7y, remaining term is 5x plus 6y. So this is what the factors of given polynomial 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. Understood? Next, third question. Factorize the following. First one, p minus q square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16. Here the polynomial is given as p minus q square minus 6 into p minus q. First we have to take, let p minus q is taken as x. You have to take p minus q which is equal to x. So if p minus q is there, means you have to substitute the value x. So p minus q square is written as x square minus 6 into p minus q should be written as x. 6x minus 16. So this is the given polynomial. We have to find out the factorization for this given polynomial. So in this polynomial, product value is (1 into minus 16 minus 16). Sum value is x coefficient is minus 6. So what is the value if we multiply, if we add? So if we multiply, value must be equal to minus 16. If we add, value must be 6. So what is the value? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Minus 8 into 2, minus 16. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. So we can write this polynomial x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. Now we can take x from this two terms. We can take x as common. X minus 8. Here plus 2 as taken as common. So x minus 8. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 8, minus 16. Now x minus 8 is common term. So x minus 8. Remaining term is x plus 2. So now you have to look at the previous one. What is that? X which is equal to p minus q. You have to substitute, instead of x you have to write p minus q. So therefore it is equal to p minus q minus 8 into p minus q plus 2. So this is what the factors of this given polynomial. Clear? Third one, root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5. Here we have to write product root 5. Here a square coefficient is root 5. So root 5 should be multiplied with the constant term. So root 5 into minus 3 root 5. We know that root 5 into root 5 which is equal to 5. Minus 3 is there. Minus 3 into 5 which is equal to minus 15. Product value is minus 15. And then sum value, here a coefficient is plus 2. So sum value which is equal to 2. Now we have to find out the values. Minus 15 plus 2. What is the value? 5 3s are 15. Here addition value must be, some value must be plus value. So obviously smaller number must be equal to minus. So 5 into minus 3 minus 15. 5 minus 3 which is equal to plus 2. Now we can write the following polynomial. Root 5 a square plus 5a minus 3a plus 2a should be written as plus 5a minus 3a minus 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Now from this two steps we can take root 5a as common. root 5a காமனாக எடுத்தா அப்படின்னா இங்கே ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்கும் only 1a root 5a a into a square root 5 into a square plus here 5 must be the value of root 5 into root 5 which is equal to 5 ஒரு root 5 வெளியில் எடுத்துட்டா ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்கும் 1 root 5 so a is also we can take common so a plus root 5 now you just multiply this value with this root 5 into a square root 5 a square root 5 into root 5 5a here we can take both are minus so we can take minus as common and also we have to take 3 as common remaining when a is there here minus also we can take so plus only remaining term is root 5 so now we just multiply 3 minus 3 into a minus 3a plus into minus minus 3 into root 5 3 root 5 now a plus 5 is common term so a plus root 5 is common term so a plus root 5 one time remaining part is root 5a minus 3 so this is what the factors of the given polynomial root 5a square plus 2a minus 3 root 5 clear fifth question 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15mn square here highest power is cube we have to take so m is a common variable in all terms so we have to take m as common m so here 8 m cube 1 m is taken as common so remaining m square minus 2 m square so remaining 1 m mn minus 15 n square so now we have to take factorization for this polynomial alone for this polynomial what is that product 8 into minus 15 8 15s are 120 minus plus into minus minus so minus 120 and then sum is what is the coefficient of mn that is minus 2 so now we have to find out the factors so product value is minus 120 sum value is minus 2 obviously we know that 10 into 12 which is equal to 120 so here the sum value is minus so obviously highest value must be minus so 10 into minus 12 minus 120 10 minus 12 minus 2 now we can take m as common term here already for this term alone 8 m square minus 2mn should be written as plus 10mn minus 12mn minus 15n square minus 15n square now m here we can take m is common as well as we can take 2 is common here remaining 4m 4m plus 5n 2 into 4 8 m into m m square 2 into 5 10 m into n mn here both are minus so we can take minus as common we can take what is that common term 3 we can take 3n is common so remaining 4 n is taken as common so remaining part is m minus is also taken as common so plus 5 remaining 1n is there so now 4m plus 5n is common term m into 4m into 4m plus 5n into 2m minus 3n. So this is what the factorization of the given polynomial 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15mn square. And we move on to sixth one. The given polynomial is 1 by x square plus 1y square plus 2xy. We know that xy term is a middle term. So rearrange the polynomial 1 by x square plus 2 by xy plus 1 by y square. So this is the order of this polynomial. Now product is, what is that? X square coefficient should be multiplied with the last term. So here is also 1, here is also 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So product is 1. And then sum is, what is that? X square term is 2. Sum is 2. Now we have to find out the value. So 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now we can write the polynomial 1 by x square plus 2xy should be written as 1 by xy plus 1 by xy. So 1 by xy plus 1 by xy, which is equal to 2 by xy plus 1 by y square. Now we can take 1 by x from these two terms. We can take 1 by x as common. Remaining is 1 by x plus here is 1 by y plus here is, we can take 1 by y is common. So remaining term is 1 by x. Here remaining term is plus 1 by y. Now 1 by x plus 1 by y is a common term. So we can write 1 by x plus 1 by y one time. Remaining term is 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x plus 1 by y. So this is the factor for this given polynomial. Understood?